Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this video is one of two, possibly three, extra videos that I'll be releasing this week to celebrate and say thank you for hitting 500 subscribers. That's so exciting! Anyway, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own crystal headpiece, which I think would be perfect for your last-minute Halloween costume needs. It's super easy to make, and it's really cool looking. But really quickly, before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super awesome and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this project, you'll need a thin metal headband, some crystal quartz beads, any sort of accent beads you'd like, some jewelry wire, needle nose pliers, and a pair of scissors, which I forgot to put in this clip. Super sorry about that. As a side note, if you're trying to figure out what gauge jewelry wire you need, what I did was I took my crystal beads and my accent beads to the craft store with me and asked someone who worked there for some help. The first thing you're going to do is lay your crystal and accent beads out around your headband. Next, you're going to take your center crystal and feed the jewelry wire through like so. I cut my wire so that there's about 2 feet of wire on each end. Now, you're going to take your center crystal and place it at the center of your headband, and you're going to wrap the wire around like so. One end should be wrapping towards you, and one end should be wrapping away from you. And although I'm doing this with my hands, I would suggest using the needle nose pliers because that's going to let you wrap the wire much tighter. To finish securing your crystal, you're going to wrap each end of the wire around the crystal like so. And then you're going to wrap your 2 ends of wire around the headband like you did in the previous step. Using these 2 wrapping techniques, you're going to keep adding crystals on until you're finished. The only difference is, moving forward, you're only going to have 1 piece of wire to work with instead of 2. Once you've finished adding crystals on, just wrap the remaining wire around your headband a few times and cut off any excess. It's now time to add your accent beads, which in my case are these tiny stars. What I did was I fed a little bit of wire through the bead and then folded it over like so. I then just folded the longer end over and wrapped the bottom around the headband like so. And I just repeated that until I was happy with how everything looked. And here's my finished headpiece. I hope you guys like it. I think it's really pretty. It'd be absolutely perfect for a Halloween party or a festival or something like that. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me. Spoiler alert, my next video is going to be how to create that really awesome makeup look you saw in the beginning of the video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!